You wanted an RV, they said. I have to show y'all what it take to get one back on the road. I may share it, I don't know. I may turn it away. She a little rough. With they dad to get some dirt. Say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Nigga here say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Some dirt. You see him in the mirror? All right, guys, let me know if there's something you're interested in seeing. I may just take you guys with me, show y'all a little content, stuff that I do at the shop, just a snippet, because I do got a shop page, the Beamer Shop. So, but this is just for people who are on the other page. You may just want to see a snippet. So let me know, comment below. Dirt. Look like it done been in some dirt, man. Later, guys.